Hey guys, welcome back. And if you've never seen my face before, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to do another eyeshadow look and have some more fun. So, after my last video and all my questions, I did get a few answers from some of you lovely people about how to make my eyeshadow pop a little more. You suggested a white eyeshadow primer for my eyes. So, I'm hoping this is white. It doesn't have a color on it, but the bottle's white. So we have this this hard candy long wear eyeshadow primer, and I'm hoping it's going to do the job. It does have a picture saying that it's going to do what I want it to do. So, fingers crossed, we're also going to try that. See if that helps. So yeah, just like last time, we're doing what was on the back of the palette. We're going to do the second choice from the back of the palette, which is called Pretty Hot. It's using more of, I guess, looks like pink tones. We'll see what they actually look like. I haven't swatched any of this stuff. We'll see what it looks like when it comes off. Yeah, I'll show you what we're going to use today. So we're using the same E.L.F. 18 Hit Wonders, which is this bad boy here. So last time we were in oranges and yellows. And this time we are going with Candy, Heat, and Danger. And Danger is a bit of a sparkly one. So yeah, we will see how that goes. I haven't really used pink on my eyes, I don't think, like ever. Maybe when I was a kid playing with makeup. Because that's usually the colors you get in kids' makeup kits. I have prepared 3 little brushes like I did last time. We'll see if I stick to the order of how I actually pulled them for, because last time order went out the window. Same pattern. I've got the picture on my phone so I don't have to keep turning the palette over. Got my mascara here, my mirror. Let's pop this guy open. So yeah, it says shade 758, but like, I'm assuming that's white. I'm hoping it's white. It was $5, by the way, at Walmart, so if it works, it's good. Good price, I think. I don't know. Never bought one before. I didn't do my eyebrows today, in case you're wondering why I don't have eyebrows. Oh, it's not white. Grr. Why wouldn't they have just had a color on this? Okay. So I'm still on the search for a white eyeshadow primer, but we will see if this helps us today. Kind of like a really velvety concealer, which makes me think I could have just used my concealer. Okay, I'm gonna grab a brush. Brush. Come here. Yep, this is a cheap brush. Cheap brush definitely just put a bristle almost right in my eye. We're learning. It's like a different version of a learning channel. Watch me make mistakes. Oh, that went on much better with a brush. Yeah. So much better. I'm so glad you guys can't actually see what my makeup looks like. It's bad. All my face makeup. I need to hydrate myself better. That's because I was looking up my skin type the other day. Not like the type, but like what I could do to help it. And I'm gonna fix up this one. And it was basically like, drink more water, you're dehydrated. I'm like, damn it, I knew that. I know I'm dehydrated, I don't drink enough. If that's legitimately all that's causing this, I'm gonna be so mad. Because I've tried to not do full face makeup for so long because of this problem. If I start like guzzling down water and it's fixed, I'm gonna be so mad at myself for not just guzzling water before. Alright, well, let's hope that's enough primer. I think it kind of looks the same as last time, but we'll see. I guess it's a little lighter than last time. And maybe it'll just be smoother because of, hello, highlight? Smoother because of it being a creamy cream or whatever you want to call that. Not that crayon dragging across my face. Okie dokie. Let's give her a go. We are starting with, ooh, I got cat hair on this already. It's been open for what, 2 seconds? What are we starting with? We're starting with candy. So we're going in with this one right here. And we'll see. I thought I almost knocked over my whole setup there. Oh, that would have been, if it fell over, that would have been the second time since I set this all up. I went to go set up my second light over here. It fell, which knocked over my water, which fell onto my treadmill, and I already had to clean that up. So, literally, if that fell, I don't know if I would have filmed this tonight. I would have just been like, nope, everything is telling me do not film right now, so. But it didn't, so here we go! Alright, candy, candy, candy. I haven't had candy since 2020 started. Ew, it's already creasing on my eye, that stuff. I kind of want to do last week's look to see if this is actually helping. Because maybe this was just really strongly pigmented. Because this is showing up really good. I feel like I have two totally different techniques for putting on one eye and putting on the other. I feel like this color could be good for like that e-girl look, like woo. It's definitely, I think it's, I'd call it pink. What I'm seeing, I'd call it pink. Ooh, I like that. I like that color. I think it makes my eyes look more green, which is weird because I'm wearing a really blue shirt and thought that would overpower. And I'm showing you guys my nose again. Okie dokie, people. So we are going in with Heat next. So now wrong side. Okay. We just did that one. So now we're going to go to this one and see what get. So this is supposed to be like the crease / outer eye. Whoopsie, that was a lot. Once again, I think I'm overdoing it a bit, but I'm also not used to like makeup, you know. I'm used to like just the eyelid with eyeshadow on it. I'm going crazy now. I'm like, alright, already gone too far, let's go further. That spot doesn't want to fill. Oh well. Let's leave it alone for a second and do the other eye. I will say it's going on like a lot easier. I don't know if it's just the colors this time or if it is that eyeshadow primer, but I do feel like everything's like way more visible. Like even back here, you guys can see I've got makeup on. I felt like last time I had to be like, can you guys see I have makeup on? I really liked the last look though, so I hope it's the eyeshadow primer because I'd like to do that other look again. That concentration face though. Dang, I'm starting to feel like a scene kid, y'all. I like it. I always wanted my makeup like this, like big and loud in high school. Okay, I did not think these colors were gonna go together. Like I would have never put them together. And this is why I'm so thankful that E.L.F had it on the back. Oh. I would have tried to do like the lighter orange instead of this rusty orange on top. Okay. I like this. Next step now that I'm playing with makeup is like being confident enough to wear it out in public. I will not leave the house in a full face of makeup. Well, I will. I'll drive with it on, but I'll make my boyfriend go into the store or wherever we're going. Or if I'm like dropping him off at work, great. Okie dokie, so we're going to take the Glittery Danger. I wonder if it's called Danger because you can overdo it like really fast. So this is Danger down here. It is sparkly, so that'll be fun. Let's go in with this little brush again. Same one I used for the blue last time. It did a good job of getting it right down on my lash line. Keep an eye on the camera because it's gonna die soon on me. Well, not die, but run out of recording space and I'll have to tell it, hey, keep recording. I don't think it's different enough from this color to just do this small of an amount. Yeah, like you guys can see a little bit of a shine on my lash line now. But I don't think the color is different enough. I'm gonna go under my eye with it too. Since I'm already here. You guys can kind of see the line. Right here. But yeah, I think that one's too close to everything else to actually see. I'd probably do it on my lower and then just stick with like a black eyeliner up top. If I was doing this, I'd just skip this one. Or I'd just do this as like a shiny bit right in the middle of my eye, I think. Because I'm an expert all of a sudden. Do one makeup look. 1.5, I guess. Alright, I'm just being picky now, I think. So you can see it go up into my waterline and down. Now it looks like I'm missing a spot. Alright, if I keep playing with it, I'm gonna ruin it. And this is pretty damn good for me. So, put the brush down. But yeah, there we go. That is tonight's look. This was called Pretty Hot, which they describe as a warm and spicy. I honestly feel like I'm about to go see like My Chemical Romance or something. I really like that's not saying anything bad about it. I really like it. I really like the look. Alrighty. Oh yeah, it looks so much better with that pop of black there. Oh yeah, once again I just used you probably saw. I used the Revlon Mega Multiplier. I like that one. It's decent. Pretty decent. Doesn't get like my lashes long, but it does something to them, that's for sure. Yeah, so yeah, overall thoughts. I really like this look. It's very pink. I would not know that there was an orange in there, like a rusty orange. I would think this was just all pink. And yeah, I really like it. I think I did a pretty decent job too. I think it makes my eyes pop. And yeah, I'm gonna probably on my own time do last week's look again, but with the eyeshadow primer that you can't see. There you go. With this guy, to see if it makes that look pop as well, or if these ones were just like that much more pigmented. Because yeah, I can see this so much better. So thank you to everybody that recommended that. I appreciate all the help, the tips. Yeah, I love how this turned out. I keep looking at it, I'm like, dang, I'm gonna start wearing makeup. Because I do. I like it. I'm glad I took it under the eyes. I wanted to do that last time too, but I was like, oh, let's not stray too far. Let's stick to what it says to do. But I like it. And I'm happy. Thumbs up. I definitely give it a thumbs up. So yeah, that's the end of the video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. If you liked what you saw today and you want to see more of this kind of thing, or you just thought it was good, give me a thumbs up so I know I'm on the right path here and you guys are enjoying this stuff. And yeah, thank you. Share this video anywhere you can. The more this video gets shared, the more I get out there. I'd love to gain some more followers, get some more likes, keep this train going. I'm enjoying doing this. It gives me something to do, pulls me out of my own head, because my head can be a nasty place sometimes. And yeah, helps me get out of my comfort zone trying new things. I would not have put this on my eyes, and I love it. So thank you guys. That's it. Peace.